good afternoon. Welcome back to the vlog. Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon. Ay, nako. Yeah, good afternoon. I'm here. And natatapos ko lang maligo guys. Di pa ako nakapag-supply ng bag. Sabi lang ako. Gumamit lang ako ng phone dito para maliwanag. It's very dark here. So I am in the dark room now. 4 a.m. here in Florida. I'm good. Oh, really? Are you in the Florida? Really? Wow. Sorry, it's hard for me to. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Good morning to you, Ahmed. And sorry for my glasses, but those glasses is not mine. I am here in Florida, USA. Hello, Darren Anderson. How are you, Darren Anderson? How old are you? Nice singing. Singing. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, please. Please don't forget to like, guys. Please don't forget to like. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's morning there. It's morning and Lord. I want to take a nap a little bit, but I don't want you to be disappointed because I'm always sleeping in afternoon. Because you know guys, I have so many work morning until 2 a.m. or 3 p.m. I have work. So I'm working. Yeah, I'm in the dark too. Oh, for daylight. Yeah. It's afternoon here and it's afternoon but I am in the dark room. I cannot. Hello. I cannot. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I cannot open the window because there's two cats small. I didn't I'm here, going here in my bed. So I cannot open because I don't want them to climb here down. Uh, they are there because for how many days it's always raining here. And then what happened in the rain? There's a flood, heavy rain, and there's a flood. So all of the cats are there in the top of the uh, table here behind this window. So they are there and stay there for a while. But for now, no flooding. Only in the time that the rain is very heavy and because the drainage there is full of the garbage. So we need to get the garbage out so that the water will flows down there. So that's all. That's all. Okay, so that's my story. Yeah. That story in Moda